Have you ever noticed how heavy a memory can get? We walk around carrying years of old conversations, ancient mistakes, and paths we wish we never took. We drag them into our mornings, let them sit at our dinner tables, and allow them to dictate who we are allowed to be today. We treat our past like a life sentence instead of a library of lessons. If you are tired of fighting a war with a time period that no longer exists, this video is your ceasefire. Today, we aren't running away from the past. We are looking it dead in the eye, pulling up a chair, and finally saying what needs to be said. This is a letter to the days we left behind. This is Dear Yesterday. Dear Yesterday, we need to talk, because for a long time you've had a stranglehold on my life. I used to look back at you with so much anger. I hated the choices you forced me to make. I hated the people you allowed to walk out of my life, and I hated the versions of me that didn't know any better. How many nights did you keep me awake playing the what-if game? What if I had stayed? What if I had spoken up? What if I hadn't failed that business, broken that trust, or lost that version of myself? You made me believe that my best days were buried in your soil. You convinced me that because I stumbled back then, I was disqualified from walking straight today. I let your rejections define my worth, and I let your heartbreaks build walls around my future. You became a ghost that refused to leave the room. But the older I get, the more clearly I see you. And today, the anger is gone. It has been replaced by something much heavier and much more beautiful: wisdom. I look at you now, yesterday, and I realize you weren't my enemy. You were my laboratory. The failures you hold, they weren't the end of my story. They were the tuition I paid for my maturity. The people you took away from me, they weren't losses. They were just temporary characters whose chapters had come to an end. I needed to experience your scarcity to appreciate today's abundance. I had to feel the coldness of your lonely seasons to guard the warmth of my current peace. You didn't break me yesterday. You broke the illusions I had about how easy life was supposed to be. You forged a backbone where there used to be a wishbone. So this is my final letter to you. I forgive you. I forgive you for being messy. I forgive you for being painful. And most importantly, I forgive the version of me that lived inside of you. They did the best they could with the tools they had. You no longer have the power to leave space in my tomorrow. I am packing up the lessons, but I am leaving the guilt behind. I am keeping the scars, but I am dropping the shame. Thank you for the strength. Thank you for the grit. Thank you for showing me what I could survive. But your shift is over. You are a finished book, and I am finally turning the page. To everyone watching this, your past is a place of reference, not a place of residence. You cannot write the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. It is time to let yesterday go. If you are ready to finally close the door on old regrets and step into your new season, let's declare it together. Leave a comment below that simply says, "Dear Yesterday, thank you for the lessons. I'm moving on."